Hello. Today's lesson was finding a number on an open number line. I explained to the kids that an open number line just shows that numbers go on forever. So this direction, the numbers would keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller forever. And this direction, they would keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger forever because numbers never end. So for number 1, we have to find 34 on a number line. Now, a child with good numeracy skills is automatically going to know it's going to be on this side of the number line, and it's going to be close to 35. However, if a child struggles, here's what I had them do. Since this is 30, we're going to draw each little line. 31, 32, 33, 34, and then 35. So then they would just put their dot right there. Now you'll notice on number 2 that the stretch is farther. We've got from 40 to 50, but we don't have a midpoint. Now a child with good numeracy skills is going to know that 48 is going to be closer to 50. But if they are struggling with that skill, I'm literally going to have them to put the marks. So we start with 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So it would go right there. Now for my kiddos that automatically know that 48 would just be a couple numbers away from 50, and if they just put like a dot there without having to make all these little marks, I would accept that because we're not trying to get exact. We're just trying to get close. And for me, it's more important that they know 48 is going to be closer to 50 than it is to get these little marks, even and all of that. So this is not going to be an exact thing. We just want to get close.